This is a starter coil, a motorbike and CG. CG and motorbike. This is a block. CG's timing chain. This is a cylinder head. Big cylinder head. Big cylinder head. This is a magnet coil. This is a flywheel. This is a washer and flywheel. Big engine. Engineer is setting engine. CG and boxer. CG. The pair. The boxer. Cylinder head. This is a tappet. The tappet. This is a block and boxer. This is boxer. This is a service. This is a full service. This is a gearbox. This is a gearbox. Gearbox is the boxer. This is a crankshaft. The gearbox. This is a crankcase. This is a crankcase. This is a tap the crankcase. This is a bearing. This is a flywheel. Clutch housing in the center. This is a clutch plate. This is a shafty. That is a clutch housing. This is a shafty. And this is start magneto. The magneto coil. The BM 150. This is the clutch. This is the timing chain. Motorbike and the full service. In the full service. This is mechanical in the Africa. Very smart and service is in the Africa.